tutto stufato. E gente sta ancora in casa.
In the early hours of Thursday, March 13th, 2025, a 4.4-Magnitude earthquake struck the Campi Flegrei area near Naples. According to the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, the quake's epicenter was located at a depth of just 3 kilometers. The tremor was strongly felt across Naples and nearby towns, causing panic among residents.
Guarda. Ma no, io spero che non siano macchine sfondate. Io spero che la macchina mia pure non si sia sfondata.
Many people rushed out into the streets in fear as buildings shook violently. Reports indicate structural damage in the Bagnoli and Fuorigrotta districts, where a suspended ceiling collapsed on Via Carafa. Emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene and rescued a woman who was trapped beneath the debris. Fortunately, no serious injuries have been reported so far.
Ragazzi, spaventoso, spaventoso all'1:20, l'1:25, spaventosissimo. Mamma mia. Esagerato, mamma mia.
This earthquake is among the most powerful recorded in the region in the past 40 years, following a similar event in May 2024. Authorities are currently assessing the extent of material damage and ensuring public safety. Given the area's high seismic activity, residents are advised to stay informed and follow official safety guidelines.
Qua spiazzale della NATO a un quarto d'ora dalla scossa di terremoto, il bradisismo peggiore degli ultimi